Hello everybody. Today morning my mom called me and she is really depressed with this COVID-19 situation. She kept saying what this yug is, what this yug is, and she never saw this kind of a situation early. What I felt or what I pondered on post that call was that yes, she is right that she did not see the situation early in her life. Maybe because there is some transitioning that is happening. Maybe we are transitioning from one yug to other yug. Okay, so whenever such kind of transitionings are happening, when we are changing from one yug to another yug, I believe that there is kind of a rising. We rise from a level to another level, and I think with this COVID-19 situation altogether, there is going to be necessarily a positive change that I'm seeing. Now, having said that, um, I think all of you must have definitely adapted to the new norm of working from home, having your own workspace, creating your own workspace. I have had this workspace from a long time, since the time I started writing basic. Uh, so whenever I think of Faceit, it definitely takes me back to my office space, and I am definitely missing my office space. I'm quite sure that you also must be missing it. So I wanted to take this opportunity and take you back to that office space by reading few stories from this book. So let's get started. Let's continue. The heat was rising. Pune summer was not as torturous as I felt it this year. Not just me, but everybody else in the team too could feel the waves of the piping hot weather. Everybody was sweating. The reason was not summer alone, nor was some hot celebrity visiting our campus. It was appraisal time. All of a sudden, everybody around started talking about goals, one to one, below expectation, meeting expectation, above expectation, and percentage. People around me started turning as best friends or colleagues. Well, there is a difference between a friend and a colleague. Believe me or not, but this is a time when we are able to demark a person as a friend or a colleague. Though it is reiterated that the appraisal process is confidential, yet everybody discusses with somebody or somebody else. So those who share the information fall in the friend category and rest is colleague. Hold on. This does not end here. We are going to talk about one more category, and they are known as performer. They are known as star performers. So uh, this thought of mine gave birth to a kida which is called a star performer. I started thinking about and observing every performer I met in my 16 years of IT experience. This book is all about my understanding of the mechanics behind them being a star performer. It is not the bright shining star I am talking about in this volume. They are those terms and conditions apply kind of people. While observing all these performers, I realized that they exhibit a specific attribute. My interest in human psychology and the trainings I went through helped me comprehend more. People wear different masks, go out of the humanity square, and pull themselves in the sweatshops that are run. that not might be their true self. They may behave entirely different when at the workplace. They exploit themselves, at times others too, and jump over the fence to prove themselves. Some kind of a layer. While I'm thinking of printing another volume to talk about the real stars, I want to begin with the grey layers of human beings. Based on understanding, observations, and personal interpretations, I have created the characters in this book. So, though some of these characters might appear sitting next to you in your office, they are truly fictitious. Any resemblance is purely coincidental. This book can be read for awareness of the characters that exist at workplace. Awareness is empowering, isn't it? That's what Rita Wilson said too. In case if you want to listen to the stories further, please subscribe to my channel here. Thank you. Let's continue for the next time.